Just getting off the exit at Corby. I am about 2 hours late. I decided to ignore the sat nav and make my own route up, which is never a good idea. So moral of the story is listen to the sat nav. It looks like we finally made it. Auto Union in Corby. What should we do? Not like the other one, yeah?
I'm sure the other one...
The other one didn't have one on, did it?
Right, do you want a drink?
Yeah, I would love a cup of tea, mate.
Yeah, sure, yeah.
Just one.
Yeah, what's another one, John?
Yes, please, I'll have just one sugar.
Sugar's your cup.
Oh yes, I'll tell you what, I'll check in my cup. Thank you very much.
Cheers.
It's at the showroom.
Right, do you like dogs?
Huh?
Are you alright with dogs?
Yeah, I'm alright with dogs. How big is it?
Is it?
No?
That's old.
Oh my god.
It's 9 months old.
9 months old?
9 months of any baby. Alright. Come on out.
Wait, that dog's nearly as big as me. Oh, hello?
He's soft as grease. Go say hello.
Hello.
There you go. There you go. Are you coming, George? Georgie? The other one's underneath the desk.
Oh, a nice little collection here, huh?
It's alright, isn't it? And then I've got my other bits in there. I've got about 60 cars in total.
No way.
Yeah. Yeah. So what we do is, our bread and butter is classic cars.
Yeah.
Right? And then what we do is we do the odd van
Yeah.
and the odd modern stuff. Right.
Yeah.
Just to pay the bills, really. I know, it's cool, isn't it?
Bloody hell. Oh, not bad. Nice little collection.
I've got someone come to look at that, isn't it?
Yeah?
Yeah. That's a nice car.
Mate, I got one stuck in the bushes at home.
What, 320?
325, 4-door.
You tart. What's he doing stuck in the bushes, right? You need to get it out.
I know.
They're worth some proper money now, mate.
I know.
They're getting,
I
you know, getting really worth.
It's got low. It was in good condition when it was parked up.
Yeah.
And we lost the key.
Oh, God. I'm going to tell you something now, right? This guy here.
See down here. See that's been the back wings have been resprayed, yeah?
Yeah. It's not unusual at this age.
Yeah,
it's called margins and borders.
Yeah.
Where the masking tape has been pulled off after a spray's dried.
Yeah. So
Never been here before.
yeah.
No, I'm quite impressed. They've got some nice stuff.
Look, some nice cars, yeah. Yeah, I know. Nice. That is looking good.
She has naturally raised levels of testosterone, but it really sort of shown that this reconciliation defense. Cashmore, honorary professor of sociology at Ashford University, argued that she absolutely should, and it's Ellis's voice you'll hear first. I think that nature.
Look at the other cars in the showroom. Not bad, huh? Ford Escort convertible. The Mini over there. EW. And the Beetle. Gotta love the Beetle. Wants 20 grand for this. Bike if you want.
Well, thanks to you for being with us for this program. We are back at 2019, our favourite moments, not just the big news stories, but of course.
that's it. On the way back to London now. Deal done. Picked up the Cosworth. The guy knocked off about £800. It's not bad, so well worth the visit. Now 2-hour drive back to London. Good journey, my friend.
Yes, yes, yes.
Traffic, innit?
Hello. How are you? Yeah, this is the one I've done. This one. Remember?
He's been here before.
Remember? Yeah, you got that. Yeah.
Cars arrived.